Malaria is a disease that is caused by a parasite and it spreads by female Anopheles mosquito. So therefore, this plasmodium is inside the female Anopheles mosquito. Let's say mosquito comes, female Anopheles comes on my hand, it bites, and the plasmodium through the mosquito enters into my bloodstream. So therefore, with the chance that I can develop malaria. So it can spread through mosquito. It is common in tropical and subtropical regions of these areas. Have a look. Then you need not remember the areas. Then transmission. The mosquito parasite infected by biting the mosquito becomes infected by biting the infected person. Let's say some infected person is there and the female Anopheles bites that person. So therefore, the plasmodium in the bloodstream is injected into the mosquito, then that mosquito comes to another person and bites. So therefore, plasmodium from that infected person goes to the new person and then the new person will become infected. So once the parasites enters the human body, they travel to the liver and in liver they mature, and after several days the mature parasites enter into the bloodstream. After maturing in the liver, they enter into the bloodstream and then they infect RBCs. Because they are found in RBCs, so therefore malaria can also be transmitted through blood transfusion, because in blood there are RBCs. So plasmodium can directly be transferred through blood transfusion, organ transplant, and sharing of needles and syringes that are contaminated with blood of the infected person. Malaria can also be transmitted from mother to child during delivery or before that also. And what are the symptoms of malaria? High fever, chills, muscular pain. Malaria also causes more serious problems. They include damage to the heart, lungs, kidneys, and different types of malarial parasites are there. So 5 species of plasmodium are there: PF, PM, PV, PO, PK. Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium knowlesi. Plasmodium knowlesi is a type of malaria that naturally infects macaques in Southeast Asia, but also infects humans. So therefore, this is a zoonotic disease. And what is the difference in all these kind of plasmodiums? And PF, that is falciparum malaria, is potentially life threatening. So there can be severe damage to heart, kidneys, lungs, and person can also go to coma. And Plasmodium vivax is a protozoal infection that spreads via the Anopheles mosquito. We know this. Infections with PV and PO are generally less serious. And globally, PF and PV account for the majority of the malaria, while PF is responsible for deaths, PO is widespread. So maximum malaria cases you will encounter, it will be PO.